Hello, for this video make we learn some simple tip wey go help us find the square root of 27 without say make we use calculator. You know am? You say you know am. You no know am? Make you join me make we solve this question together. We go find the square root of 27 and square root of 97 with no calculator. Make you no forget to like this video, make you share am with your friend, and no forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you hit that subscribe button you go get our notification anytime we upload our video gbagam, like where you receive your bank alert. Now we go start first with the square root of 27. Now I want make you point your calculator. If you point your calculator now, you go see say square root of 27 go give you 5.196. Maybe so? Good. So now we no go use calculator, we go find the square root of 27. Now before we go find that square root of 27, I want you make you think of other perfect square root wey come before 27. 23, 24 no get square root, 25 get square root. If we look the square root of 25, 25 na perfect square and e get 5 wetin? 5 square. 26 no get, 27 no get, 28 no get, 29 no get. Na so we see. So you see say the only number wey get perfect square before 27 na wetin? Na number 25. So we go take that number 25 as the only perfect square root wey dey perfect before 27. So how we go take find the square root of 27 if we no use calculator? Make you pay at ten tion. Now square root of 27 go give us, we go write that 5. Now wey you don write that 5, the next thing wey we go come do na to minus 25 from 27. If you minus 25 from 27, na wetin that one go give us? That one go give us 2. So we go plus am, come put the 2 for up. This 2 go dey divided by, the next thing wey we go do na this 2. This 2 always dey constant. For any of this thing wey you dey do, square root wey dey find, this 2 go always dey there. Na im we dey call constant. And then we go multiply am by this 5. We go bring the 5 here. So since we don do am like this, we go reduce am. If we reduce am, we go see say this one go give me 5 plus 2 divided by 10. Now make we divide 2 by 10. If they ask you make you divide 2 by 10, na wetin this one go give you? We go first cut am small, make e remain small so that we go fit arrange am small small. 2 here go give us 1, 2 here go give us 5. So that means this one now go give me 5. This one now go give me 5 plus 1 divided by 5. So me, I wan find the answer wey 1 divided by 5 go give me. They say make I divide 1 by 5. Abi, if I divide 1 by 5, I go do am like this. Na wetin go dey inside? Na 1 go dey inside and na 5 go dey outside. 1 divided by 5, e no dey possible. So I go put 0 here, come put point, come put 0 here. 10 divided by 5, e dey possible, e go give me 2. 5 times 2 go give me 10. So if I minus this one now, I go get this one to be 0 and I will get this one to be 0, because 1 minus 1 na 0, 0 minus 0 na 0. So wetin my answer give me? 0.2. So if I come here now, I go see say my answer go dey equal to 5 plus 0.2. Now make I add 5 to 0.2. If I add 5 to 0.2, my answer will be 5.2. And that one na the square root of 27. Na im go give me 5.2. Now e dey rhyme with wetin calculator give us. Na the same thing, because when you approximate 9, if you approximate 9, 9 go make 1 to become wetin? 2. So we go get 5.2. So you see, This square root of this method wey we talk about go give you exactly the approximate value of the square root of that number. Now you see how we do am? We go find the square root wey dey closer to that number before that number, na im we go write. The next one be say we go add am, then we go subtract that number wey we get the square root from the number wey dem ask us make we look for the square root. Wetin e give us, we go put am for up here, and we go divide am by 2. Dis 2, I tell you say dis 2 always dey there, so dem no dey change am. Any formula wey you dey use, you go put dis 2. Then dis 5, you go bring am come here to multiply that 2. Na how you dey take do am. Now make I show you another method wey be say dis system go come change small. Now if I show you another system wey dis system go come change small, na the one wey we go take do find the square root of 97. If we find the square root of 97, na wetin the square root of 97 go give us. Now make you point your calculator first and see wetin your calculator go give you. You don point your calculator? You don see wetin your calculator give you? Good. Now make we come analyze all the perfect square wey dey before 97 and the one wey dey after 97. Before 97, you go see say we go get 81. No be so? 81 na 9 square and one perfect square root. After 89, we go get 100. 100 na one perfect square root and na square of what? Square of 10. So square of 10 go give us 100. Square of 9 go give us 81. So you go see say 97 dey in between 81 and 100. Now if I decide to say okay, make I choose 81 wey be 9, you know say before I tell you say na the one wey dey before na you go choose, because e go help you dey get your answer very easy. But now the one wey dey before dey very far from 27, from 97, because after 81 you go get 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90 before you even get 91. That means say this 81 dey very far number from 91. We no go use am. 97, we no go use am. Now 97, 98, 99, 100. You see say 100 dey closer to 97. So that means say na this 100 na im we go do wetin? Na im we go use. Now this one don fall short of the rule wey I talk before, say we must use the perfect square wey dey before 97. So if we dey use the perfect square wey dey after 97, wetin we go do be say as we dey find the square root of 97, we go do am like this. The square root of 97 go dey equal to the perfect square wey dey after am na 10. So instead of putting that plus wey we put for that time, remember we put plus. This time around we go put am as wetin? As minus, because the number come after wetin? After the number wey we dey find the square root wey be 97. So this one go be minus. So the next thing wey we go come do na 100 minus 97 go give us wetin? 97 minus 100 go give us 3. So that 3 we go write am here, divided by, remember I tell you say 2 always dey constant, multiply by this 10, we go put this 10 here. So wetin we go do now na to simplify this one. This one now go give us 10 minus 3 divided by 2 times 10 go give us 20. So our work here now na to find the value of 3 divided by 10. So we go do am like this. Remember na 3 go dey inside and 20 go dey wetin? Go dey outside, because 3 dey divide 20. Now make we do am small small. If we do am small small, the question now be say 3 divided by 20, you know say e no dey possible. We go put 0 and point. Then we go put 0 for the back of this one. 30 divided by 20, you know say e go give me only 1. Only 120 and 50 for 30. 20 times 1 go give me 20. So wetin I go do be say I go minus this one. If I minus am, I go get this one to be 0. and I will get this one to be waiting to be 1. 10 divided by 20 no dey possible, so I go put 0, go make am 100. 100 divided by 20 na 5. 5 times 20 go give me 100. So as I get 100, I go minus am. 0 minus 0 go give me 0. 0 minus 0 go give me 0. 1 minus 1 go give me 1. So that means say my answer here go dey equal to 10 minus 0.15. Now make we minus 0.15 from 10. Na wetin our answer go give us. Now make we pay at ten tion. We get 10.00 and we wan minus 0.15, so we go write our 0.15. Now we no go use calculator. Remember they say na how we wan take do this thing, we no go use calculator. We dey minus these two things. So if we wan minus am, na how we go take start. Remember say we go start from here. And since we go start from here, 0 minus 5, e no dey possible. So from here, we go borrow 1 from here. If we borrow 1 from here, put here, e go make this one wetin? E go make this one 10. Abi? If you make this one 10, we go borrow 1 from here, put here, e go make this one 10. This one go now become 9. If this one become 10, we go borrow 1 put here, e go make this one 10. This one go become 9. Maybe so? Good. So 10 minus 5 will give us wetin? 10 minus 5 will give us 5. Now remember say na 9 remain here. 9 minus 1 will give us wetin? Will give us 8. Now remember say na 9 dey here. 9 minus 0 will give us 0.9. Now na 0 dey here because we don borrow the 1 put here. So 0 minus 0 will give us wetin? Will give us 0. So our answer go be 9.85. So wetin we go do now be say the answer we will get na 9.85. So the square root of 97 dey equal to 9.85. Now remember I tell you say the answer e go give you the almost the approximate value of that number. Now carry your calculator now, punch the square root of 97. You go see wetin e go give you. E go give you like 4 or 5 number, and when you approximate that number, you go get exactly this value wey we don give you. So you see now say to find the square root of any number dey very easy. Wetin you just need to do na to know how to apply this simple tip wey I don tell you for mathematics. Remember, if the number wey be perfect square come before the number, you go plus am. But if the number wey be perfect square wey dey close to that number come after the number, you go do wetin? You go minus am. This na how we dey teach our people for Unique Pidgin Academy, for the language wey una go understand, the subject wey una want, so that when una learn am, una go understand am well and e go enter una mind. Una fit use am for any exam, use am solve question. Now wey I don teach you this one, I want you make you try come find the square root of other number. But take note say before you find the square root of other number, make you first point the calculator, come tell yourself say I fit do am. Then if you point the calculator, put the calculator aside, use any of this method wey I don teach you and see whether you go get the same answer. If you get the same answer, make you no forget to share this video with your friend. Make you give this video one thumb up and make you try to answer for the comment section. Yes, I try am and this method work. Make you no forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you for our next video.